The exterior is complete. A few of the things we needed to contract out are septic system, plumbing, and electrical. The septic system is in and done. It's right over here. Plumbing is roughed in, and electrical should happen in the next couple of weeks. Let's go in. Pops put doorknobs on the other day. So we're walking into the mudroom, which will also have laundry right there. You go into the kitchen. That's where the sink will be. Walkway to the back porch. This over here is our bathroom, our bedroom, and our closets over there. And we just have a open area for living, dining, kitchen. This is my favorite. The view of the kitchen window. A couple of things we'll add. We're gonna put a wood burning stove right there. I definitely want an island right here that will also be our kitchen table. Since we don't have a lot of space for a dining room, and we're just gonna combo the kitchen. And I love that idea. Walking into the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath house, which will be plenty of room. There's our shower. Bill has worked really hard getting this framed in, insulated. It's gonna look really nice. Big closet right here. And we're gonna take this out, put a wall on the other side, and this will be kind of like a little cubby. Maybe like a little storm shelter for right now, before we can get one built. Our storm shelter, the plan is to have it built into that hill right there with a root cellar. It's quite a steep hill. We can just dig a hole into the side. There's the septic. Front door, we don't have a doorknob on yet because we need to finish the door. Let's go out back. I love this view. Future plans, we'll have this completely fenced in all the way around. Dreaming of another barn right there for livestock, chicken coop, and then just kind of come around here and fence the animals out of the little yard we'll have around the house. And maybe a little swimming pool right there in my backyard. Just a tiny little pool I'm dreaming of. A tiny little pool. Woo, right. Pops has been digging with little Jimmy for the water line. So I'm gonna step over that because I don't want to fall in a hole. So that's it, that's the tour. Let's go over to the front porch. Also, future plans, flowers. It's hard to see because the sun's coming in. Flowers all along there. And we have several natural seedlings of cedar trees and pine trees that we're going to leave all along here for just a barrier for the road. Porch swing right there. Couple of porch swings. There you have it.